What are the 6 things that are truly a waste of time? In the journey of life, we encounter various traps that can divert us from our true path, consuming our time and energy without yielding any meaningful results. Reflecting on both contemporary self-help wisdom and timeless biblical truths, we unravel 6 pervasive pitfalls that hinder personal growth and fulfillment. 1. Being in a relationship with someone just because you feel bored or lonely. In the pursuit of companionship, it's easy to succumb to the allure of a relationship simply to alleviate the discomfort of solitude. Yet, as acclaimed self-help author Wayne Dyer emphasized, you cannot be lonely if you like the person you're alone with. Relationships built on superficial needs lack the depth and authenticity required for true connection. Similarly, the Bible warns against seeking fulfillment in earthly attachments, urging us instead to find completeness in our relationship with the divine. 2. Trying to solve everyone's problems. As we journey through life, we encounter myriad struggles and challenges, both our own and those of others. While it's noble to offer support and guidance, attempting to single-handedly solve every problem we encounter is a futile endeavor. Renowned self-help guru Tony Robbins advocates for the concept of unconditional positive regard, wherein we provide empathy and encouragement without shouldering the burden of fixing others' issues. The Bible echoes this sentiment, reminding us to cast our cares upon the divine. For burdens shared are burdens lightened. 3. Trying to win every conversation that you have with people. Communication is the cornerstone of human connection, yet the desire to emerge victorious in every exchange can obscure the true purpose of dialogue. Inspired by the teachings of Stephen Covey, author of The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, we learn that genuine communication is rooted in empathy, understanding, and collaboration. In the biblical narrative, Jesus exemplifies humility and compassion in his interactions, prioritizing connection over conquest. 4. Constantly complaining about something that you could have already changed. The habit of incessant complaint serves as a barrier to personal growth, keeping us trapped in a cycle of negativity and stagnation. Esteemed self-help author Louise Hay reminds us that every thought we think is creating our future, emphasizing the power of positive thinking in effecting change. Likewise, biblical wisdom exhorts us to focus on what is pure, lovely, and praiseworthy, rather than dwelling on grievances that hinder our progress. 5. Creating fake problems so that you don't have to deal with your real problems. At times, we may fabricate or exaggerate trivial issues as a means of avoiding confronting deeper, more daunting challenges. Drawing inspiration from the insights of Brené Brown, author of The Gifts of Imperfection, we recognize the importance of embracing vulnerability and facing our fears with courage and authenticity. The Bible encourages us to confront our innermost struggles honestly, trusting in the divine strength to overcome adversity. 6. Trying to make someone love you when they are not interested in you. Love, genuine and unconditional, cannot be coerced or manufactured. Instead, it flourishes organically when nurtured in an environment of mutual respect and affection. Drawing from the teachings of Eckhart Tolle, author of The Power of Now, we learn to surrender to the flow of life, releasing attachments to outcomes beyond our control. The biblical principle of love emphasizes patience, kindness, and selflessness, guiding us to love others as we ourselves are loved by the divine. In conclusion, by heeding the lessons of both contemporary self-help wisdom and ancient biblical truths, we gain insight into the pitfalls that impede our personal growth and fulfillment. Through mindfulness, empathy, and humility, we navigate the complexities of life with grace and purpose, transcending the wasteful pursuits that hinder our journey towards wholeness and authenticity.